Hey, what's going on, wealth builders? You know, I was looking around in some of my accounts today and I realized I had a little extra money laying around. And instead of going buying something that I don't need or something that I won't use in a month or 2 months from now, I decided to take this little bit of extra money and invest it into my Robinhood portfolio. You know, it's easy to go out there and buy something because we found a little extra money and act on impulse, but I would rather use this money and watch my Robinhood portfolio continue to grow. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about stocks. We talk about crypto, but more importantly, we talk about investing on a budget. If that's something you're interested in, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, share it on your social media platforms, and also make sure you do me a favor. Check out my link down below for Robinhood, and also check out the other links, the various links down there for different stock and crypto platforms. And with all that being said, let's get paid, baby. Hey, you know, I'm sure it's happened to us all. You know, we'll get ready to do laundry or throw some clothes in the wash, and then we'll reach in our pockets to make sure nothing's there, and we'll find a $10 or a $20 bill. And if you're lucky, which has never happened to me, you may find a $50 bill. But instead of running out like I used to do and just say, man, this money is burning a hole in my pocket, what can I do? What can I go out and buy? Nowadays, I like to take any extra money that I find and invest it because I want to make that money grow. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm actually going to jump down into my Robinhood account, and I'm going to share my screen with everyone, and we're going to go over it. I'm not going to do a lot of analytics and all that. But as you can see, from investing on a budget, I currently have $4,644.52 in my Robinhood account. I'm down 43.18% today, $43.18, down 0.92% today. And in the last week, I've made $172 in the last week from just investing, letting my money grow. And what I'm gonna do today, I'm not gonna add a lot of money, but I'm gonna add more money. There's a difference between a lot of money and more money, so I can continue to see my portfolio grow. Now, in the last month, I'm down $371 or $72 or 7.42%. And in the last 3 months, I'm down $371. But I'm not worried about that because I'm looking at this as a recovery period. I'm going to continue to buy these stocks, do what they call DCA or dollar cost average, and continue to buy into them. But instead of doing a whole bunch of talking, what I want to do right now is I want to look at what I'm going to be investing in. And the first stock, I'm going to go ahead and type it in. It's already there. I'm going to type Google. It's already there. But as you can see, and this is important, ladies and gentlemen, there's two Googles. There's one GOOGL. This is the one you want to invest in, Alphabet Class A. Then you have GOOG. These are ticker symbols. Most of the times I won't type it out, but because this is so important, I want you to understand you need to invest in Class A. That's the actual Google shares. Class C, same thing, but different voting rights. We're not worried about voting right now. We're worried about investing on a budget and making some money. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, typically if it's red, that means that stock is down for the day. It is down $86.31. It sounds like a lot, but it costs $2,873.04 to get one share. Now for the week, it's up 10.79%. So for the week, it's not doing bad, but for the month, it's down 1.87%. And I'm not going to worry about 3 months. And for the year, it's up 39.05%. But what I'm going to do now, notice if it's up and I'm in that particular time frame, a year is going to be green. If I go to 1 month, it's going to be red because it's down. If I go to 1 week, it's going to be green because it's up. And if I go to 1 day, it's going to be red because it's down. Everything's red. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to purchase $20. Oh, not $220. $20 worth of Google stock. I'm going to get 0.006965 shares of Google stock. I'm going to go ahead and review the order. Going to go ahead and buy it. It's a done deal. I'm going to click done. Now, if you notice, I have $60 worth of buying power available. I only had $80. I found $80 laying around. So, I mean, I used to remember the day I wish I would find $5 laying around, but I found $80 laying around, not necessarily in the house, but in one of my accounts. So next, I'm going to go ahead and go up here to search. I can hit the feather and go back, which is the feather is right here, but I'm going to go over here to Google, and I'm going to go back, and I'm going to click Apple. And you could take the risk and look down here and search for it, but I know the symbol, and I want to challenge everyone to learn the symbols. Ticker symbol AAPL for Apple. I'm going to click that, and now I'm going to get a little bit cheaper because I want to put this $80 amongst several different stocks. And then some people will say, well, won't you just put the whole $80 into Google? Won't you put the whole $80 into Apple? I don't invest like that. I like to spread. I like to diversify. Why? What's my favorite word? If you watch Point Blank Travel, which is my primary channel, you'll know my favorite word is options, baby. And if I spread my money around and if I diversify everything, I'm giving myself options. So Apple is currently trading at $174.16. It is down $1.69 today. What's it been doing for the week? It's up $8.42 or 5.07%. For the month, it's also down. All the stocks are down, so I'm not really tripping. Every stock I probably look at is going to be down. But for the year, it's up 28.21%. I'm going to go back for the day. I'm looking here. I'm only going to invest $10 because I want to spread this around, and it's going to give me 0.057444 shares. Review the order. Click buy. Done. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, we are investing on a budget. We don't have a lot of money to invest, but instead of saying we don't have a lot of money to invest and not invest, we're going to take the little bit that we have and actually invest into the stock market. Now, the next stock that I'm going to get is going to be Gladstone Investments. And I could type all that out, but I'm going to type gain, and you'll see right here, Gladstone Investment. I like this stock because it gives you a monthly dividend payout. Apple is quarterly. Google doesn't even have a dividend, but Gladstone Investment, ticker symbol GAIN, will give me a monthly payout. And let's see where we are. For the week, it's up 38 cents. It's up 2.45%. And for the month, I'm assuming, yep, it's down 7.56%. And for the year, it's up 47%. So I would, if for every $100 I invest, I've made $47 in profit. It's that simple. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and put another $10 over here. And this shouldn't be that bad. I'm getting 0.63 of a share, 0.63, almost a full share, but over half of a share. I'm going to hit review order, come down here and click buy. Now, why does it seem like I'm having so much fun investing $80? Because I am. I could have went to a store and said, oh man, let me satisfy this need or this want, more so than a need. Let me satisfy this want and go and buy something, a shirt or a pair of slacks or something that I'll probably forget I even have. So I'm going to click done. Next, and I'm going to do a separate video on this. I'm looking at the next one is an ETF or exchange traded fund, and it is VUG or Vanguard Growth ETF. Now this, I'm not going to get deep into it, but this ETF actually has a lot of different stocks in it, and it's got some of the bigger names. It's a growth ETF, so it's going to have some of the Amazons, the Apples, the Microsoft. You're going to see it in there, but it's not doing too good. It's down $10.15 today, down 3.44%. For the week, it's up $10.17, so it's not that bad. For the month, it is down 11.72% or $37.78. And for the year, it's up 8.26. I'm not too thrilled with that percentage for a full year because I have a lot of stocks that do better, but I know this is a long-term growth ETF, so I'm going to continue to roll with the punches. Normally, if I wasn't shooting this video, I would probably change my mind and take this $10 and put somewhere else, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and put $10 in here, get 0.03 of a share, click review order, click buy, done deal. I have $40 left. So next, and I'm looking here, And yeah, I got I got $30. I'm getting ready to say something's not adding up. I'm looking down at my stuff here. Next, I'm gonna type ticker symbol O, which it is Realty Income. Be careful because it's got it up here as something different. But I know I'm looking for Realty Income. But let's just say you don't know the symbol. You'll type Realty Income. And I put reality. So if you don't know how to spell it, obviously, like I just didn't, you got to know the symbol. So, but I put Realty Income. Now, it is trading at $68.77. It's down $1.03 today. This is another monthly. Matter of fact, it's not another. It is the monthly dividend stock. It invests in realty, real estate. Like if you pass by Walgreens, a lot of people don't know this, but Realty Income actually owns the building that Walgreens is renting from them, just to give you an idea. And I may do a future video on that. And I'm going to go through this pretty quick. And for the week, it's up $1 a share, 1.48%. For the month, it's going to probably be down 3.73%. And for the year, it's up 17.84%. Still not one of my biggest returns on my investments, but I'll take it because it's steady and I like that monthly dividend. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to invest $10 over here as well. It's going to give me 0.14 of a share. Review the order, buy the stock. We're done. And I have two more. Now, next one I'm going to do is UPS. I don't have any positions in UPS on Robinhood, but I have been wanting to get into it. So it's UPS. It's one of the easier symbols to remember. And I'm looking at something. I'm going to probably make a change here. It's down $3.95 today. It's trading at $228.17 for the week. It should be up. It's up $32 this past week. Man, I may make a different move here. Matter of fact, I think I will. I was only going to put $10 here and $10 somewhere else. Actually, no, I think I'm going to stick with my strategy. And for the month, it's probably down. No, it's not down. It's the only stock that I featured in this video that's not down for the month. So yes, I'm gonna repivot. I'm gonna make a different move because I was gonna put $10 in a different stock. And for the year, it's up 42%. Now I have $20, and I was only gonna do $10 in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and put $20 in here. It's gonna give me a little less than a tenth of a share, 0.08. Not a lot of money, but I'm gonna double up on the ante. I'm gonna review the order. I'm gonna click buy, click done because we're done. Then I'm gonna come up here. Now, what I need y'all to do is tell me, what do you think of the investments I just made? I mean, do you have a Robinhood account? Are you learning how to invest? Do those investments, Apple, major, Google, major, Gain, you probably never heard of, or Gladstone Investment, VUG, if you're new to ETFs, you may not have heard of that, but it invests in all the major companies, Amazon, Facebook, or Meta platforms, whatever they call themselves now. Realty Income, which you probably never heard of, and UPS. Everybody see the brown truck going around town, dropping off packages. I'm sure everybody that's watching this video has at least received one package in their lifetime. But let me know, what do you think of the choices I just made? Have you been wanting to learn about investments but don't know how? You are on the right channel. Do me a favor if you haven't done so. Subscribe to the channel. Give a video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, share it on your social media platforms. And as I always end each video, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you. Also, make sure you check out my other channel, Points Blank Travel, where we talk about credit. We talk about credit cards. We talk about traveling around the world for little or no money out of your pocket. If there's something you're interested in, please do me a favor. Check out Points Blank Travel. And until the next time, hope everybody have a great day and a great week. Peace, baby.